Welcome back to the Brain Boosters channel. Becoming an engineering executive, EngExec, with Engineers Australia is a prestigious recognition that demonstrates your leadership and advanced expertise in the engineering profession. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you prepare for the EngExec application process. 1. Understand the requirements. Eligibility. You typically need at least 15 years of engineering experience, with at least 5 years in a senior management or leadership role. Competencies. Familiarize yourself with the EngExec competency standards, which include leadership, management, communication, and ethical practice. 2. Self-assessment. Evaluate your experience. Assess your career against the competency standards. Identify examples where you have demonstrated leadership, strategic thinking, and ethical decision-making in engineering contexts. Identify gaps. If you find any gaps in your experience, consider how you can address them before applying. 3. Documentation preparation. Resume/CV. Update your resume to highlight your senior management and leadership roles, focusing on your contributions to the organization and the engineering profession. Career episodes. Prepare detailed career episodes that demonstrate how you meet the EngExec competencies. These should include specific examples of your leadership in projects, initiatives, or organizational changes. Continuing professional development, CPD. Document your CPD activities over the last 3 years, including courses, seminars, workshops, and self-study that contribute to your professional growth. 4. Referees. Select referees. Choose 2 or more referees who can attest to your competency in the areas required for EngExec. These should be senior professionals who have observed your work closely. Brief your referees. Inform your referees about the competencies and what specific examples you would like them to focus on in their references. 5. Application process. Online submission. Prepare your application through Engineers Australia's online portal. You will need to submit your resume, career episodes, CPD record, and referee details. Application review. After submission, your application will be reviewed by Engineers Australia's assessment panel. They may request additional information or clarification on certain points. 6. Professional interview. Prepare for the interview. If your application is successful, you will be invited for a professional interview. This interview will focus on your leadership and management experience, ethical practice, and strategic contributions. Practice your responses, review your career episodes, and be prepared to discuss them in detail. Practice articulating how your experience meets the EngExec competencies. 7. Demonstrating leadership and strategic thinking. Leadership examples. Be ready to discuss situations where you led teams, managed significant projects, or influenced organizational strategy. Strategic impact. Highlight how your work has contributed to the broader goals of your organization or the engineering profession. 8. Ethical practice and professionalism. Ethical scenarios. Prepare to discuss how you have handled ethical dilemmas in your career. Engineers Australia places a strong emphasis on ethical conduct. Professionalism. Demonstrate your commitment to the engineering profession through your involvement in professional activities, mentoring, and contributions to the community. 9. CPD and lifelong learning. Continuous improvement. Emphasize your commitment to continuous professional development and staying current with industry trends and technologies. Relevant CPD. Ensure that your CPD activities align with the competencies required for EngExec. 10. Final review and submission. Review your application. Double-check all documents for completeness and accuracy before submission. Seek feedback. Consider getting feedback from a mentor or colleague who has gone through the EngExec process or is familiar with the requirements. 11. Post-application follow-up. After submitting your application, stay in touch with Engineers Australia in case they need additional information. Prepare for the outcome. If your application is successful, you will be recognized as an engineering executive. If not, seek feedback on areas for improvement and consider reapplying after addressing those areas. 12. Leverage your EngExec status. Networking. Engage with the Engineers Australia network and other EngExec members to expand your professional connections. Career advancement. Use your EngExec status to pursue higher-level leadership roles or consultative positions in the engineering industry. By preparing thoroughly and strategically, you can enhance your chances of achieving the prestigious EngExec status with Engineers Australia. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Brain Boosters for more career advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you.